Good help is so hard to find. Oh! Oh! Who could see that coming?
Oh my God.
This simple modification alone, when I'm finished with this bike will probably go 160 miles an hour. Yeah. That happens. So anyway, in or about 1979, my high school, or my homeroom teacher at prep school told me, oh my God, dude, Pepper, you got to come in. You just got to come in. Oh my God, come here, come here. Oh, you just want to show off with this thing. Oh, she's just gonna show off with, look at this one here. Oh, look at this one there. Oh, that's good. Oh, let's go. It's gonna get serious. It's gonna get serious with this. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's a good girl. Look at that grip. Oh, yeah. Go way over there. Go way over there. Oh shit, here she comes. Alright, she's back up. So, and Martha Kane Brown was her name, my homeroom teacher in 1978 at Hawkins School. An amazing, amazing, amazing place. Anyway, she told me, Chris King, you're destined for a career in espionage. Well, what does it have to do with this in my hand right now? This is part of the spark arrestor system for a 1979 Yamaha DT250. And after 42 years of use, I did a video the other day blowing out the whole thing with this as part of it, right? However, that didn't get all of it at all. So we're going to be doing some modifications to the bike. Jason Wallace and I are going to get into that. We're going to port it a little bit and ring it, and that's pretty much it. But at the same time, the airbox has already been modified. So we're just going to, today I noticed how dirty this is. This is crazy. Absolutely crazy. So now, the espionage ties in because to her, I was always playing with fire. So now, we get to play with fire. Let's see what happens here. It's got to run better yet. And we'll see if we have to rejet or whatever we may have to do or not. Little simple things, you know, it's never, these are not fast bikes, but the response they give is really, really good. And you just want that response to be as crisp as possible, even though it's ultimately a slow bike compared to the IT series and the YZ series. I actually think DT probably stood for detuned, if you think about it. This simple modification alone, when I'm finished with this bike will probably go 160 miles an hour. Yeah. Now, Suzuki had this two-stroke touring bike. It was called Water Buffalo. I'm done talking. You know, I hate people talk all the time on videos. Just talking. Talking. I need to hold that, get me a wire brush, and clean that out right there. 42 years of two-stroke carbon right here. It's still kicking. Good help is so hard to find. Oh! Who could see that coming?
Oh my God.
All right, the thing funnier than that, we'll be starting this thing now. It's going to be obnoxious. Should I do it? Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. You're all waiting for it anyway. Fuck it. Oh my God.